So can asparagus prevent hangovers? So got an email from somebody recently showed me a picture of asparagus, and there was a claim that asparagus could metabolize alcohol better and in theory reduce your hangover symptoms. Looked into it. Turns out there is some research on asparagus as it pertains to metabolizing alcohol and maybe helping hangovers. So in one of the studies, which is I think the research everybody's talking about, they essentially bathed liver cells in alcohol and they treated them with asparagus and found that the asparagus seem to ramp up the production of alcohol metabolizing enzymes such as alcohol dehydrogenase, and also protect the liver cells from the damaging effects of alcohol. So I get now where people are coming from talking about this, but there are some things to be aware of if you're going to try the asparagus hangover trick. And one is this. So bathing cells for 24 hours or so in alcohol and giving them an extract of asparagus ain't the same thing as drinking a whole bunch, giving people asparagus and watching what their hangover symptoms are like. So that study, to my knowledge, has not yet been done. Like I said, they probably have people lining up for that study, but not been done to my knowledge. The other thing, and this is the biggie, they're both biggies, but this one really jumped out at me. And it's this. So they bathe the liver cells in asparagus extracts, and they give me the extracts of the shoots, which are the stems of the asparagus plant. That's what we usually eat when you eat asparagus, or the leaves of asparagus. Both of them seem to have beneficial effects. However, the greatest beneficial effect on increasing the alcohol metabolizing enzymes was in the asparagus leaves. Yeah, the leaves, that's the stuff that nobody ever eats. So if you're going to try asparagus for hangovers, you really should be eating the leaves to get the best result and not necessarily the stems, or eat them both to try to get the best overall benefit.